Hi everyone, this is Garima Kapoor. I'm the co-founder at MinIO. MinIO is a high-performance object storage. It's software-defined, open-source first company, and customers use us to build large-scale data infrastructures. When we started back in 2014-2015, AWS had convinced the world that AWS S3 object storage is the right kind of platform to bring all your unstructured data at. We thought that data is a problem that is going to be relevant for 10 years from now, and as co-founders, we wanted to pick up, not like catch up on any trend, but rather pick a real problem and go solve that in a real and a meaningful way. And quite interestingly, as co-founders, we look back on our founding decks and everything, how we pitched to our early investors. Our messages has been just consistent across seed investment, Series A, Series B. It has been singular focus to be AWS S3 for rest of the world. And that focus has paid us a lot of success. From 0 lines of code to now, we are 1 billion plus Docker downloads cumulatively, and we get around more than 1 million downloads a day. So that it shows the success of the object storage that we have built overall and how heavily it is adopted within the application ecosystem. So object storage, it's a storage technology that powers cloud, essentially. All the public cloud environments have a foundation in object storage. AWS, when it launched, S3 was the first service that it launched, and then came everything around it. So object storage becomes the foundation of cloud in essence, right? The important thing of any storage system is that as you scale, the complexity of the system should not increase with that. And also you should not lose certain characteristics like, say, replication. I again go back to in terms of simplicity, because all systems need to be simple, because at scale, if things break down, you need to be able to do work on it and solve the issues. With file systems, it is extremely hard to really find the right issue, what happened, go to the bug level in terms of fixing it. What makes it special is simplicity at scale. What makes it special is that you don't lose any performance characteristics at scale. We just hear one thing consistently, is that it just works. As you keep adding the drives, or as you keep adding more servers to your infrastructure, as your data requirements grows, you don't lose the performance, which is not the case for most of the storage products out there. We were the first one to say that no, object storage can be the primary storage and bring all the high performance workloads on it. Also, because we started at the time we started in 2014, 2015, right around that time, cloud native applications were coming up. So our architecture choices were such that we became the first class player when it comes to cloud native ecosystem overall, right? Kubernetes came in 2015, so we were the first one to be Kubernetes native object storage. We were the first one to make sure all the newer applications standardize on us. Now, object storage has become the primary storage because application systems have standardized on S3 API with MinIO. Every company is trying to come to this market or trying to implement it, but the real difference is something that is built, purpose-built, versus something that you're trying to bolt on as part of your product offering. Cloud does bring a lot of efficiency in terms of saving your cost, in terms of removing data silos, making sure the data is under the right governance and compliance and whatnot. If you see a customer's journey when it comes to cloud architecture, there's two things that need to happen at a customer's end. There needs to be a mindset change. The customer needs to let go of the legacy applications or rewrite those applications to be more cloud native. After that, of course, you need to make sure that the team is ready and whatnot. And when I say cloud, I don't mean public cloud. I mean cloud is an operating model. It's an architecture choice that the customers need to take within their own enterprise. Because even if you see, right, the next stage is what? It's generative AI. Everyone is talking about it. If you see all the models, LLM models, whether it is, if you see OpenAI, if you see Anthropic, they are all built on object storage. Because the legacy file systems cannot scale, as simple as that, right? Scalability becomes a problem. I don't think so it's a matter of, if, but it's a matter of when. Because at the end of the day, data needs to persist somewhere, right? So once the customer goes through that hard part of understanding itself, that this is something not an option, it is something of a necessity that they need to do, I think after that the journey becomes very smooth and easy. But yes, it's very exciting time for us, and I'm very happy that this is a topic that has become like a topic that CIOs are bringing forward. It is a topic that CIOs are driving themselves, and initiatives within the enterprises. So yeah, we are very excited about the future. Thank you for watching. This is Garima Kapoor. I hope this video helped you learn a little bit more about the cloud native infrastructure. We are always here to help answer any more questions that you have.